Well, hello there, Vintage Outboard Motor fans. This is T-Mike. It's Christmas again. Just went to the mailbox and I got a package. I wonder what's inside. So it's from Wilson in North Carolina. Wilson in North Carolina. Yeah, Wilson called me and he's got a 25 horsepower 1972 Evinrude. That's a memory for you. And he wanted me to rebuild the carburetor. I explained to him that I don't have a 72 25 horsepower to test the carb on, but he was okay with me just rebuilding it and going through it. So I'm gonna do that right now. Let's see what we got in the package. All right, well, I see we have a check. That's always good. And we have the carburetor. So he set the carb. I got the choke needle. He's got the idle screw on it. I'm gonna see if this will fit on my 20 horsepower. See if I check it. I see he's got an electric start button right here. So I'm gonna get the carb kit out and clean it real good and see if I can test on my 20. If not, we'll call it good and I'm gonna send it back to Wilson. Everybody's ready. Here we go. Okay, I got Wilson's 25 horsepower carburetor all cleaned up and rebuilt. Set the idle speed to 1.5 out. So Wilson, when you get it, if it doesn't idle real good, there's the idle adjustment right here. There is no adjustment for the high speed. This knob has linkage to the low speed to set it. I got the choke, manual choke on it. It also has electric choke, and when the wiring is 12 volts is applied to it, the plunger plunges and moves the choke. Didn't have a 25 horsepower to test it on, but it's cleaned and it's rebuilt, Wilson. Should work for you. If not, contact me. We'll make it good. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s. 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, tmikevintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. All right. I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, Just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay T-Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride, and remember, always remember and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.